I pre-prepare these problems for you guys before going live so that I always have something to do. But then if I don't like it, I do something else. So I didn't like any of them, so I am making my own problem. So we've been talking about a voltage source as a battery that supplies power to your devices. A current source can also supply power to your devices. So this here is a current source. You know it's a current source because it has an arrow and it has 5 amps. I want you to compare that to what I showed you before, which was a voltage source, because it has a plus and a minus and it has voltage. Both of these can be represented as a battery. Both of these can be represented as a battery that turns things on and off. So I'm going to have this 5 amp current source that is going to supply power, energy, and voltage to my 3 resistors. My resistors are 2 ohms, 3 ohms, and 5 ohms. My resistors are end to end. When things are end to end, we say that they are in series. When things are end to end, we say they are in series. And since I have 3 resistors that are end to end, that are in series, I can add them together. So when I add my resistors together, I'm going to still have my 5 amp current source, and I'm going to combine those 3 resistors into 1 resistor. The 1 resistor is going to be the sum of the 3. Remember, here's resistor 1, that is 2 ohms, resistor 2, that is 3 ohms, and resistor 3, that is 5 ohms. So this resistor is now going to be R1 plus R2 plus R3. That means this resistor is going to be 2 plus 3 plus 5. I want you all in the chat to type the value of that resistor. I'm going to give you choices. Is that resistor 5 ohms, 8 ohms, or 10 ohms? I am adding my resistors together, and in the chat, I want you to tell me, is that resistor now, that when I've combined them all together, 5 ohms, 8 ohms, or 10 ohms? Everyone should be typing a 5, an 8, or a 10 in the chat. 10 ohms here. Thanks, Steph and Saint. 10 ohms it is.